friends, welcome to the channel. This is Top Educator. Today I am going to solve arithmetic progression, first exercise, third question. So before going to the question, if you have not seen the videos of previous ones, you can visit my channel and you can see that. So let's start the question. For the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. Here they have given some questions and the series are in APs, and we need to find that the first term and the common difference of that. So let's start with the first question. The given series is 3, 1, -1 and -3. So we can observe that the first term is A, that is 3, and the second term is 1. And if we want the common difference, we can find by second term minus first term. By subtracting second term minus first term, we will get the common difference, that is 1 minus 3, that is -2. So we have got the common difference and the first term. Now next question. The given AP is -5, -1, 3, 7 and so on. Here the first term is -5 and the second term is -1. So if we want the common difference, we will subtract second term minus first term, that we will get as -1 minus of -5. So minus into minus plus 5 and -1, we will get 4. So the common difference is 4 and the first term is -5. So let's move to the next question. The given AP is 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3, 13 by 3. So we can observe that the first term is 1 by 3 and the second term is 5 by 3. So if we subtract second term minus first term, we will get it as 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3, that is 4 by 3. Now next question. The given AP is 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9 and so on. So we can observe that the first term is 0.6. So the common difference will be second term minus first term, that is 1.7 minus 0.6. So the common difference is 1.1. So let's move to the next question. We have the question 4, that is which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, then find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. Here they have given some series and we need to check whether they are in AP or not. If they form an AP, then we need to find the common difference and write next 3 more terms. So let's start with the first question. The given series is 2, 4, 8 and 16 and the first term let's be consider as 2. So A1 is equal to 2. Second term is 4. So let the second term will be 4 and the third term will be 8. We can find the common difference by subtracting second term minus first term, that is A2 minus A1, that will be equal to 4 minus 2, that is 2. Now if we want to verify the common difference, we need to find third term minus second term, that is 8 minus 4, that is 4. You can observe that 4 and 2, we have got different values, so they don't have common difference, so the series does not form an AP. So let's move to the next question. The given series is 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2 and so on. So if we consider 2 as first term, then A2 will be second term, that is 5 by 2, A3 is 3 and A4 is equal to 7 by 2. So we need to check whether they are in AP or not first. So to check, first we need to find the common difference. Here common difference we can find it by subtracting second term minus first term, that is 5 by 2 minus 2. We will get it as 1 by 2, that is 5 by 2 minus 2. Taking LCM, we will get it as 1 by 2. Now check common difference by subtracting third term minus second term. So third term, what is third term? That is 3. Then if we subtract 3 from 5 by 2, then we will get the value as 3. If we take LCM of 3, we will get it as 6 by 2. So we will get 1 by 2. So we can observe that both are same. The common difference is same. So they form an AP. So we need to find now fifth term. Fifth term will be equal to 5, which is equal to 4 term plus 1 by 2, that is 8 by 2. If we simplify it, we will get it as 4. Now sixth term, which will be equal to fifth term plus D, that is 4 plus 1 by 2, that will be equal to 9 by 2. Now seventh term will be equal to 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is 5. So we have found next 3 terms. Now next question. Here they have given the series is minus 1 by 2, minus 3.2 and minus 5.2 and minus 7.2 and so on. So let's we consider the first term as minus 1.2. Now the second term will be considered as minus 3.2 and the third term will be considered as minus 5.2. Fourth term will be considered as minus 7.2. Now the fifth, before finding fifth term, we need to find that whether they are in AP or not. So now we need to find the common difference. The common difference will be equal to A2 minus A1. Here what is A2? A2 is minus 3.2, and if we subtract it from first term, we will get it as minus 3.2 minus of minus 1.2. That will be equal to minus 2. That is minus 3.2 plus 1.2, that is minus 2. Similarly, A3 minus A2, we will get it as minus 5.2 minus of minus 3.2. We will get it as minus 2. Similarly, A4 minus A3, we will get it as minus 2. So we can observe here that the common difference is same. So they form an AP finally. Now we need to find the fifth term and the sixth term and as well as seventh term. Fifth term will be equal to fourth term plus D, that is minus 7.2 minus 2, that is minus 9.2, and sixth term will be equal to fifth term plus D, that is minus 11.2. Seventh term will be equal to minus 11.2 minus 2, that is minus 13.2. So let's move to the next question. Here the given series is minus 10, minus 6, minus 2 and 2. So let me consider A, that is first term as minus 10 and second term as minus 6, third term as minus 2 and fourth term as plus 2. Now we need to find the common difference. The common difference will be equal to A2 minus A1, that is minus 6 minus of minus 10, that will be equal to 4. A3 minus A2, that will be equal to 4, and A4 minus A3, that will be equal to 4. So they form an AP. The common difference is same. So fifth term will be equal to A5, that is 2 plus 4, that is 6. Sixth term 6 plus 4, that is 10, and seventh term 10 plus 4, that is 14. Next question. The given series is 3, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2 and 3 plus 3 root 2. So the first term is 3 and second term is 3 plus root 2 and the third term is 3 plus 2 root 2 and fourth term, that is 3 plus 3 root 2. We know that the common difference is a2 minus a1, which will be equal to 3 plus root 2 minus 3. 3 gets cancelled, we will get a root 2. Now a3 minus a2, that will be equal to 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus root 2. Here we can observe that root 2 will become as minus root 2 and 3 will become minus 3, then 3 cancels, 2 root 2 minus root 2, that will be equal to root 2. Similarly a4 minus a3 will be equal to root 2. We can observe that there is a common difference of root 2, so they form an AP. Fifth term will be equal to fourth term plus d, that is fourth term is 3 plus 3 root 2 plus root 2, that is d, will be equal to 3 plus 4 root 2. Sixth term will be equal to 3 plus 4 root 2 plus root 2, that is 3 plus 5 root 2. Similarly seventh term will be equal to 3 plus 6 root 2. So finally we have completed this question. Let's move to the next question. The given series is 0.2, 0.22, 0.222 and 0.222. Now we know that the first term is 0.2 and the second term is 0.22. Third term is 0.222 and the fourth term is 0.2222. We know that the common difference is a2 minus a1, that is 0.22 minus 0.2, that will be equal to 0.02. Now a3 minus a2, that is 0.222 minus 0.22, that will be equal to 0.002. Now a4 minus a3 is 0.2222 minus 0.222, that is 0.2222 minus 0.222. Now if we subtract this, we will get as 2, 0, 0, 0 and 0.0002, which will not be equal. The common difference is not same, hence the given series does not form an AP. Now let's move to the next question. The given series is 0, minus 4, minus 8 and minus 12. So let the first term be a1, that will be equal to 0. Second term be minus 4. Third term be minus 8 and fourth term be minus 12. Now we know that the common difference will be equal to a2 minus a1, that is second term minus first term, that is minus 4 minus 0. Minus 4 will be the common difference. Now a3 minus a2, that is minus 8 minus of minus 4, that will be equal to minus 4. Now a4 minus a3, that will be equal to minus 2 minus of minus 8, that is minus 4. As the common difference is same every time, we can observe that they form an AP. So the fifth term will be equal to minus 12 minus 4, that is minus 16. Minus 16 minus 4. Now that will be equal to minus 20, and seventh term will be equal to a7, that is minus 20 minus 4, that is equal to minus 24. So finally we have completed this answer. And thank you friends. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new notifications of new videos and share my channel. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome to the channel. This is Top Educator. Today I am going to solve arithmetic progression first exercise.